Good evening, everyone. This is Tyler Kurtz with cowleystormchasers here. It is December 30th, 2021, about 7:40ish p.m. When we started recording this video. We're just going to be discussing this upcoming winter storm and snow event, and then possibly ice event for New Year's Eve and New Year's Day for Kansas. So right here from the U.S. National Weather Service out of Wichita, Kansas. This is their latest forecast on December 30th for New Year's. So you can see potential for some ice in this shaded area or dashed area with the pink. Ice up to 1/10 of an inch and snowfall of about 1 to 2 inches in Wichita possibly, and then up towards Salina 3 to 6 inches, and kind of north central Kansas, northwest Kansas, like 4 to 7 inches. So greatest accumulations of snow in central and northern Kansas, and there should be some strong and gusty north winds that'll create poor visibilities and hazardous travel for blowing and drifting snow. And then once again, the ice accumulations could cause some really bad travel out there for those areas. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at some models here real fast. So we'll start out with the HRRR model. Keep in mind these are not 100% accurate. Sometimes these will throw out some crazy crazy snowfall amounts. So the HRRR is showing snow to begin in western to northwest Kansas around 3 a.m., 6 a.m. maybe. That'd be very early Saturday on New Year's, and then to continue throughout the morning. And then so far on the 7 p.m. run tonight for the HRRR, these are the total snowfall that it's showing. We'll also go ahead and take a look at the GFS real fast. So once again, GFS is saying probably around 3 a.m. that snow will start, and throughout the morning it'll continue across. And let's just see kind of what the GFS snowfall totals. So as you can see, that's quite a bit different from the HRRR model run. So this is the NAM model, and once again, it's kind of putting out a 3 a.m. time frame for snow starting. And we'll go ahead and just see what this is saying for snowfall rates. Yeah, so once again, we're kind of getting a different amount for this, and see what this is showing for snowfalls across Kansas. But yeah, these models are being pretty consistent with about a 3 a.m. start time for snow and across western northwest Kansas, and it'll continue eastward, southeastward, and then about middle of Kansas, central Kansas, probably late morning time frame, a transition from rain into some sleet and mixture, and then transition to snow. And then we'll take a look at one last model here, the NAM 3K, see what this one's showing for total snowfall. So as you can see, predicting snowfall is very, very difficult. Each model is outputting something totally different. Some of them will be kind of closer than others, but forecasters, they really just kind of have to use all these and blend them all together because it's really, really difficult when all these are outputting different things. Let's just go ahead and take a look at the HRRR for ice accumulated freezing rain and see what that's saying. Once again, please take this with a grain of salt, these models runs. Sometimes people will look at these and share these when they output like 32 inches of snow, even though that's not going to be the case. So yeah, this is showing about 0.3 for east of Wichita. So we'll just kind of have to see how this plays out. I mean, this system could way overperform and dump a lot more snow, or it could underperform and not dump as much snow. It could also produce a lot more ice than what's forecasted, which that would be really bad for this whole area that the National Weather Service out of Wichita has outlined. That'd be really bad if it overperforms in the ice category. But we plan to be out early Saturday morning, probably start around Salina, Kansas, or somewhere up there, covering the snow first, trying to get some footage of that, and then work our way back down south on 135 and come back to Wichita and see what we can get here. So make sure if you have any New Year's plans that you are paying attention to this system, and be careful out there if you have to travel anywhere. Take it slow. Don't be slamming on brakes or anything. Don't be tailgating. Just take your ride easy. Plan extra time ahead if you plan to go anywhere. And just in case, in your car, have a blanket, maybe a little bit extra food and water, just in case something happens. but always be prepared, and we'll be out there covering it for you guys. So stay tuned for future updates.